going?
Have a good one.
How's it going?
All right.
How's it going, guys?
Well, that's Olympus. Oh no. Well, that guy in the front, Josh, boy, he's super fast. I think we have uphill here. Fortunately, we're gonna have a bunch of downhill up ahead though. All right, thank you. I think just one more behind me. Starting to get some fall colors. All right, thank you. Just one more. Thanks. Hello, thank you. Just one more. Thanks, boys. Thank you. Have fun. Thank you. Hey, Dan. Fun seeing the train of riders. That's fun seeing the train of riders. Yeah, sure, I can do it. Okay. You know, if you guys don't mind, I might just swap out glasses.
Oh, I do mind. I just told Trey. Pass him to the right.
Where do I land in the downhill?
Yeah, I might not. So Miles, seeing so many riders, I'm not going to be going as fast as I sometimes do on descents. sure that they see us. Yeah, then we'll go into upper part, or no, just a tiny bit of flying dog and then 24/7.
What's your Garmin saying distance-wise?
I need to calibrate my wheel. It's 8.75.
Yeah, I started mine a little late. It says 6.77. I'm just gonna delete this and then have Charlie send it to me.
What?
I have 8.75 miles.
That's what I have too. Does it have a bike mode?
No. I just record it in running and then change it to
Yeah, makes sense.
bike and Strava.
Can you just send all the way down?
I'm probably gonna get a Edge 130 at some point.
Yeah, the 130 is great. That's what Nora has. I like how light it is. The only thing is,
I just want to pair it with speed sensor for indoor cycling.
yeah, it just doesn't have as much battery capacity as the 530. But for all the rides we do, it's perfectly fine.
How long does it last?
I would guess around 5 or 6 hours.
Okay.
Whereas this one that I have can do like 14 or something. Not that I ever do that.
You know anything about the difference between the 130 and the 130 plus?
They have a plus now? About the 130 plus. I thought it was like the 120 plus and then a 130.